Hello everyone. Today we learn foot and leg actions. Walk.
I walk to school.
Run.
I run fast.
Jump.
I jump high.
Kick.
I kick the ball.
Step.
I step forward.
Hop.
I hop on one foot.
Skip.
I skip happily.
March.
I march like a soldier.
Tiptoe.
I walk on tiptoes.
Stump.
I stamp my feet.
Climb.
I climb the stairs.
Slide.
I slide down.
Crawl.
I crawl on the floor.
Jog.
I jog in the park.
Dance.
I dance with my feet.
Turn.
I turn around.
Balance.
I balance on one foot.
Kick off.
I kick off my shoes.
Step in.
I step inside.
Step out.
I step outside.
Walk back.
I walk back home.
Run away.
I run away quickly.
Jump over.
I jump over the box.
Walk across.
I walk across the road.
Kneel.
I kneel down.
Bend.
I bend my legs.
Stretch.
I stretch my legs.
Rest.
I rest my legs.